Barricade, the basement subfloor panel and wall panel system by Overex that saves, protects, preserves, saves on installation time with an all-in-one modular design, saves on energy costs by insulating basement floors and walls from outdoor elements, protects against air infiltration and temperature extremes, protects by delivering a greater R value than any of its competitors, preserves a comfortable environment by keeping the basement dry, warm, and quiet.
At Overex, we are dedicated to research and development of modular interior residential wall floor panel systems. These systems incorporate three things: time-saving installation, proven insulation, and proper building science.
This product here has a more sturdy base. When you walk on it, you actually feel like you're walking on a solid floor. You don't get a hollow sound. A lot of the other products out there out on the market, you actually get a very hollow sound because the floor is elevated with plastic cleats, and that transmits the sound through the floor. It almost seems like there's hollow spots when you walk over it. That problem, which I've found in the past to be problematic with a lot of people that had those types of products in their home, is something that's been resolved with the Barricade system.
The Barricade basement finishing system incorporates high-performance OSB with Dow styrofoam insulation and an airtight modular barrier panel system. The result is a winning combination that provides a solid barrier against unwanted air, moisture, and temperature intrusion into your basement.
Insulations are used for two purposes: to save heat and also to reduce moisture in your living space. Dow is the leading manufacturer of styrofoam insulation, which is actually a trademark of the Dow Chemical Company, and we have been producing and manufacturing for the building and construction market for over 60 years. The color blue signifies styrofoam, so therefore you know when you're purchasing the color blue, you're purchasing quality.
The Barricade system is based on proven building science. What really sets the Barricade system apart from similar competitive products is the insulated backing on both the floor and wall panels, available only from Overex. The subfloor panels have an insulation rating over twice that of comparable competitive products. The wall panels protect with an insulation rating that meets or exceeds building code requirements for basements in North America.
The other benefit of using styrofoam in these panels in basement applications is that you don't have to worry about a vapor barrier. The styrofoam provides that as well, as long as it's over concrete, which means your walls can not only dry outwards, they can dry inwards. So you're not going to have any issues with locking your vapor within your cavity. And you'll get that in both the floor and the wall panel.
Other products just don't measure up when it comes to saving on installation and energy costs, protecting basement floors and walls from outdoor elements, and preserving a comfortable basement living environment.
The benefit with the Overex is that payback in energy savings is what sells the product. Ease of installation, it would encourage a lot more people to use a product like that.
The installation itself for do-it-yourselfer is perfect.
Typical installation time is 100 square feet per hour. You can get the job done fast. Tongue and groove edges press fit together quickly and easily, constructing a solid insulated floor over concrete.
There's three ways that insulation can lose R value. One is by moisture getting into it, the other is if you compress it, and the third is if you have air moving in it. The way we've manufactured styrofoam with its closed cell technology, you cannot get air looping through the foam. It is difficult to compress, it's very rigid, and it doesn't allow moisture to get in. So what you get in the end result is a long-term R value that's going to stand up year after year.
The installation of Barricade basement finishing system provides an added bonus: a more energy efficient home.
Barricade panels can be installed as a system or installed separately. Barricade protects basements by constructing a barrier against air and water infiltration and foundation leaks.
It's one of those things where you can come down from the main level and walk down into your basement and feel like you're walking into any other room in the house in the main level and not have that feeling that you're in a basement.
It was an improvement on an old way of doing something, a real quick way and efficient way to finish your basement floor. Then we went and looked at the walls and basically designed a system that would be very quick and efficient for the do-it-yourself or the professional contractor to put up walls.
Products like this have really created a better living space for clients. A lot of cases, you'll have your children down in the basement, their play areas. Having a system like this really ensures a healthier environment. You got a product that's elevated from the floor, so if you have any small leaks or any moisture building up underneath it, it's channeled so it can find its way through the drain to the lowest spots. It really creates a warmer living space, a warmer environment on the feet as well. It's definitely created a wellness of living is probably the best way of putting it, and that's always been one of the big strong points that, on my customer feedback.
Barricade by Overex, the solution for covering cold floors, insulating concrete walls, producing a warm and dry basement space. Barricade keeps the outside elements out, keeps a comfortable living environment in.